I think I'd be dead if I was basic. It's your boy, Killer Kiss. We back here again. Buzzing with another video. Hey, you hear me? You hear me? Alright. You know, we got the drip in the shirt. I got it for a gift for Christmas. It's from Zoomies. I mean, not Zoomies. Hot Topic, my fault. That's right there. It say real friends. With a little shirt on the front. Let me take the sticker off here. Yeah, now y'all see it. Yeah, it's not too bad. I'm colorblind, so I really don't know what color this is. I know it's right in the middle though. But the other colors I ain't really bang with. I ain't really bang with it, boss. I ain't gonna lie to you right there, boy. We got another gift from my brother, Kiss Money. Right here, it's a BLACKCRAFT shirt. It says Painless. Right there, got Chris JERICHO on there. If y'all know who Chris JERICHO is, you know what it is. You know the beat vibes. Right here, it's something basic, black and red with a face on it. Nothing too shabby. Nothing on the bad. Right here, we got a gift. We got a gift from my friend Mercy. $30. Y'all probably seen it in the vids like all the time. Mercy the GOAT got me this. If y'all know what this is, it's Pinky from next Friday. Yeah, you feel me? I'm gonna cue the clip.
Shut up! Did I say no? Oh shit! Say it again. Say something else. Oh, say something.
Right here, got this Broken Promises shirt. Right here with a half tie-dye, half black. Kind of look like the Travis Scott merch. That's why I really liked it. That Travis Scott merch was gone. Yeah, my fault right here. We got the Broken Promises shirt with a little bust down. We just gonna call it bust down. Says Promises and bust down. Got a back, got a skull with a rose on there. Says, let's raise some hell. You know, turn up. You know the V vibe. This joint tough for real. You feel me? Sounds slight, not something slight, but yeah, man. Right here, this is my shirt. I custom made this shirt in graphic arts class. No, this one. That's the first shirt I ever made. It was really supposed to portray the DIOR shirt they had with whatever that joint called. I ain't gonna attempt to say it. SORAYAMA, some joint. But yeah, I'm gonna put the picture out like right there. Yeah, y'all see where I got the inspiration from. You know what I'm saying? Right here, we got my own shirt again. Boy, KISSA bag with another one. That KISSA right there. Logo bang. Inspired by a Rolling Stone Cardi shirt I seen. Or a Rolling Stone shirt I seen Cardi wearing. That's where I got it from. Nothing on the back. But this my joint. It's tough for real. It's tough for a second shirt. Right here. DEECOSEY gang. These came from DEECOSEY right here. Got the Chanel by Cozy shirt right here. We got some wedge on right there. We got my boy. Dang, what's the bro's name? I ain't gonna lie to you, I forgot his name, bro. But yeah, he died, he passed away, so RP again. I forgot bro's name, my fault, G. RP to RP. Right here, we got another DEECOSEY shirt, orange. With spelling out Liana right there, with Liana right there, which is DEECOSEY girlfriend. Got the whip in the back, I don't even know what that is. Yeah, this joint tough for real. We got another DEECOSEY shirt right here. This all came in the package. I ordered them all in one. Cozy right there. Got Liana again right there. The graphic. Yeah, that graphic. Crazy. You heard? Yeah, that's it for that drip that I already opened. And let's get to some good drip. Good. Alright, this is the gift from Mercy, the GEODE. Let's open it. We got a letter. I ain't gonna read it, you know. First, got some Playboy by PacSun socks right here. I bang with Playboy for real. It's one of my favorite brands. They need me to be a director for real. We going all the way to the top. Right here, got another Playboy shirt. He said it's reflective. I don't know about it. I ain't check it out yet. But yeah, Playboy long sleeve right there. Playboy. Stop playing with the kids.
I went to gang, boys hopping out of coops.
Right here, another Playboy shirt. Said light. Got the Playboy on the side. And the Playboy right here. It's another one's the top to go with this one. Hold on, wait.
I see you holding out of my chains. I'm needing all of the loot. When I ride it.
Go with these pants right here. Pants I had in the last haul. Y'all should go check it out for real. Official right here. This is a chest screw. Not too kid. You know how I wear it, you know how I wear it. It's stuff. I got it for real because bloody on them, bloody DIOR, Ian Connor inspired me to get this for real. Ain't yet. Can't forget about it yet. Right here, it's a package. It wasn't one of them packages, but I took it out because I had to wear it yesterday. I had to wear something yesterday. It was a government channel, so I had to get a little jerky. Right here, card came in. That was a lot of that. Oh, shoot. Ooh. That's a windbreaker right here. Windbreaker, safe profile right there. Black and gray. Tight turtleneck vibes. I like the zipper for real. Definitely. But yeah, I forgot. Hold on, wait a minute. I also forgot to show off the chain that Mercy got me. Came a little split. Right there. That's what it is. It's that splat. It's that Playboy chain right here. Straight Playboy gang. These Christmas gifts, I already know what they is because I order them myself. You feel me? It can't be Christmas if you ain't get yourself no gifts. You know the view vibe. Come on, bro. Alright, we're gonna start with the shirt first. The whole set right here. Right here. We got Nemesis on the front. Nemesis on the logo. Right there. We got Nemesis on the back. It's a whole bunch of rivalries on there. The minimal mashup 20XX. Got David versus Goliath. Tar Heels versus Blue Devils. Batman vs. Joker, Goku vs. Vegeta, Lakers vs. Celtics, Jordan vs. 89 Pistons, Tesla vs. Edison, Rocky vs. Apollo, Jay-Z vs. Nas, etc., etc. You know, you guys like that. It's tough. Right here, you got the 3M pants right here. This joint's tough for real. You know I had to get this one I seen. A little lightweight for real. Yeah, 3M right there. On the back leg, it got say, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Say something of one's despair. I don't know what that means, Chief. But I'm gonna look it up so I don't look goofy out here, know what I'm saying? Alright. Yeah, we got Matter hoodie. I know who Matter is. It's like a rapper, but I don't really bang with his music. It's the only reason I got this because he had the spikes right there. That joint's so tough to me, bro. On the front, it got How to Disappear Completely, and it got like 4 people on there with a dude in it. Looked like a Gimp mask. That joint say Mad on there. I just got it because it really had the spikes. That's the only reason I got it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I might crop the bottom on because I really am liking the crop bottom look for the hoodies. I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet. I gotta do some experiment before I do it. Ugh.
Fake star with the way.
These some pants from FASHIONNOVA right here. Oh, shit. Don't know what this is. Let me find out. Right here. I got them because they remind me of the Fairy God pants. Fairy God pants like a stack. I ain't paying the stack for no jeans. I ain't getting up from FASHIONNOVA, you know what I'm saying? Right there, got the paint on the bottom. That's been tough to me. I don't know, it's probably not everybody like look, but it's tough to me. I can rock it. Know what I'm saying? That's easy money. Cause it's me. Killer Kiss. Come on. These are the God dang. These the same exact pants in the black. Cause you feel me? You can't go outside in the black. Black is too tough. You know what I'm saying? Black is the front right here. Bro. Black too tough. You can't look at the detail on there. You got the zippers with the paint on there. Come on, bro. Make it stand out. I'm gonna stand out. Rockstar lifestyle might not make it. Last but not least. Just know you can't have a clothing haul around Christmas time without these right here. Can't return these, baby. it'll be Air Jordan 11. The Air Jordan is one of the most iconic silhouettes in the history of sneakers. It's gotta be the shoe. The league MVP, All-Star MVP, and Finals MVP, Schlatt. Hold on. MJ weight, or no weight. Come on. Come on. Come on. Did you shitting me? Did you shitting me? Did you shitting me, brother? Ugh. The body. Y'all already know what these is. I ain't gotta say too much. You know what they is. Bred 11s. Come on, Jordan. I couldn't go outside on the Bred 11. I almost took an L on Nike. Took an L on Nike. Finish line. Foot locking. Couldn't take an L. If you don't want to take an L, go East Bay. East Bay get you right. 100. So I got these from. Come on, bud. Come on, Buzzy. Alright, so this is the end of the video right here. It was an amazing video for real. Took a lot to film for real. But 2020, man, we coming with bangers, bro. We gonna try to come with some bangers for real. Try to get some more opportunities for real. And yeah, bro, if you didn't check out my last video, go watch that, or my last haul. I got some drip in there. But yeah, bro, this that new drip. Bro, I just be browsing through Instagram. Y'all probably like, where you get these brands? I'll be browsing through Instagram for real. Instagram my favorite place. I get all my drip from Instagram for real. I got NEMESIS, Broken Promises from there. Matter. All the drip from there, bro. I be lucky. So in case you want to put me on some new drip, hit my DM, killer.kissa, you feel me? Put me on some new drip, you feel me? If it's your drip, put me on, you feel me? If you want to send me some drip, hit my DM, you feel me? It's that easy, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm a certified dripper. I'm going to show y'all how to drip. On my channel, I drip, you feel me? Drip, 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 drip. You feel me? I'm a certified dripper, so, you feel me? I'm gonna show y'all how to drip. We out. You heard?
Jump inside the coupe, get lost. Hit the gas, hear the exhaust. Lil' wife, nigga, I'm a boss. Diamonds on freeze, yeah, frost. How much you pay for shit costs? If you don't cross my way, then you won't get crossed. Come this way, get knocked off. Come this way, get knocked off. Come this way, get knocked off. Speeding in the coupe, just made it drop off. 9 on me, ready pull
back, get him blue back if you move fast. She said that she love me, but she blew that. He said that he bout it, but he all cap. They don't want no smoke with us, we spin his block in all black. Money coming in, we gon' blow that. This Billy got some kick, it got some blowback. Lil' Waff up in the car, so he gon' blow that.